Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jabby. Today I'm gonna show you how I create this look using Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3. So let's keep watching. So I'm gonna start by putting my tape on. I just follow the line here, making sure that it's even. For eye primer, I'm using Inglot Eyeshadow Keeper. I just used my finger. I'm gonna be using this palette, Be Perfect Carnival 3. I'm gonna be using this color, Clay. I'm gonna use a brush like this. It's a taper brush. Because my eye area is small, I'm gonna need a smaller brush to start in the crease, or it's gonna be messy. So I'm gonna start with my crease. Ooh, pigmented. I love this color. I always love unique color. See, when I use smaller brush, I can get more precision. When I use blending brush for my crease, I always get messy around this area. So I need smaller brush. Remember this brush shape. Now I'm gonna blend with blending brush. Again, for smaller eye area, you should use a smaller brush. I'm gonna blend it out very nicely, so I don't have to fix it later. I always have to fix it later. I'm trying to make it a good habit to blend it well the first time. You're gonna have to take time and patience to blend eyeshadow. You're gonna think that it's easy to blend when you see it on YouTube, because a lot of YouTubers will jump cut it, but actually when you do makeup in real life, you're gonna have to be patient. And I'm saying this because I have to cut the video too, because it's gonna be too long. But I'm taking my time to blend, and you should too. If you follow the tutorial on the internet and you feel like why you can't follow the steps or why you can't follow the tutorial, I think it's because of blending. If you use the same palette, take your time. I hope I make sense. My English is not very good. My next color is ginger. I'm gonna clean my brush first. This thing is essential for makeup. You have to get one. I get one from convenience store. I was on a trip and I found it. So I'm gonna put it on the outer corner of my eye first, and then I'm gonna bring it into my crease. Adding more color. By the way, I'm using the first brush. We will blend it later. Changing to blending brush, we will blend in circular motion. Now I'm gonna mix ginger with black color and I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner. And bring it into my crease. Changing to my blending brush, I'm gonna blend it again. Now for glitter, I'm going for this one called rum. I'm gonna use this thing. I bought it like this. Oh, you can't see. So I bought it in bulk like this. The best applicator for glitter. The reason I bought it in bulk because I can assign the color to each different one, so I'm gonna use this. I think you can find it online. Nice, you see? Now I'm gonna pull the tape off. I'm loving this technique. If you haven't tried the tape technique, I think you should try it. It's very easy. Now I'm gonna do my face makeup. For primer, I'm using Gina Glam. I'm planning on finishing all my products from Thailand first. Then I will change to more universal products that everyone can relate to. I just hate to throw away products, so please bear with me when I mention products that you don't know. So my foundation, I'm using BB cream. The brand is called Mika. Most of my makeup is affordable makeup. I have blemishes here. I have broken veins here. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna set my face using STACEY powder, BB powder. You can use any powder, translucent powder or any powder. I'm using Q-Press eyebrow tint. I don't think I'm using it the way it's meant to be used. I'm using it to outline my brow only because I can't do that stroking and making individual hairline. Then I'm using Intuit eyebrow powder, using this eyebrow brush. Yeah, dipping into darkest color and fill in, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now back to the eye. I'm gonna use ginger. I'm using flat brush. Then I'm gonna use that shimmery shade Run for my inner corner. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of black, a little bit. Brown eye pencil from Melinda. Okay, I'm gonna apply mascara and eyelashes. Okay, eyelashes done. I'm gonna put my black eyeliner over here. I'm gonna use this cream blush from Mong Wang. Now I'm gonna use Ovidio bronzer. And then I'm gonna contour using 2P Original. Now, highlight. I always forget to highlight. If you watch my other videos, I always forget. I'm using ODBO Vivid Fake Highlight. I'm also gonna use this to highlight my inner corner. For lipstick, I'm using Revlon Matte number 008 Cocoa Craving. Okay, now I'm done. I even curl my hair for you guys. Do you like my video? If you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So this is the final look.